Who's ready for the soy sauce challenge? I'm ready for the soy sauce challenge.
You make a good dance.
Ah! This is pretty good.
This is amazing. What?
My name is Mr. Steve. I'm a storyteller. Hello, everybody. It's me, Mr. Steve, and it's time for another one of our strange taste test videos. We've done a lot of videos with food here on the channel. There's a taste test playlist on YouTube, on our YouTube page, where we try out a lot of different things. We try gross sodas, new candies, and stuff like that. But the one type of food video that we've done a couple of times here on the channel that I'm really proud of are the challenge videos. I started off with Nutella. My son said Nutella is great. It would go well on anything. I tested that. And there are some things Nutella should not be on. We've done it a couple of other times too. I remember when we did it with ranch, and it was gross. But this time, I am doing that again. This time, though, I have faith. Oh, I have faith. I have faith that this time I have found something that goes great on everything. I'm trying things with soy sauce. You guys know soy sauce? I love soy sauce. I love soy sauce so much that I fully believe that soy sauce goes great with everything. Who's ready for the soy sauce challenge? I'm ready for the soy sauce challenge. Let's just put a bunch of soy sauce right here in this bowl. Oh, a lot of soy sauce. Okay, ah! I spilled it all on myself! Hey, Eleanor, how are you doing? Can you get me some paper towels, please? Oh. Okay, first test. Soy sauce on myself.
Not good.
So, that's the soy sauce. Usually I don't like people looking at my toes, but I painted them. Okay, I started off this video feeling so positive, saying, hey, this video is going to be such a success. This video is going to be an absolute positive 100% success. And almost instantly into the video, I spilled soy sauce everywhere. This is not a good sign. About 5 minutes have passed. I cleaned up the mess. I feel very sticky. But I'm not going to let the mess that I made stop me from my belief that the soy sauce challenge will be one of my most successful taste test challenges ever. Now, I'm going to be using some chopsticks. But because I want this to be successful, I will be using my special chopsticks. These are official Nightmare on Elm Street Freddy Krueger chopsticks. Now, first things first. Popcorn. Orville Redenbacher popcorn, which is very good. So, I'm going to get a piece of popcorn, dump it in the soy sauce. Ooh, I let go of it, so it really got in there. Very salty.
Yeah, this popcorn is very salty.
That was so salty. I think. Whew.
I'm not good with chopsticks.
Very salty. It's like I licked the bottom of the ocean.
Yes,
Okay, but okay, that wasn't the best. because the soy sauce makes the popcorn soggy, and the popcorn immediately becomes super soggy, so this isn't the best. Let's move on to something else. Let's be bold. Fruit snacks. Fruit snacks and soy sauce. Why not? Oh, look at that. We got 2 right here. Dump it in the soy sauce. There you go. Let's give it a try.
Does it taste good?
It doesn't taste bad.
Does it taste good?
It also doesn't taste good, but
But does it
I
taste
thought
good?
this was going to be horrible, but no, it's all right. This is all right.
What means try twice? Try, Daddy?
Hold on.
Gummies and fruit.
Oh,
snacks.
it's different. It is very different. The popcorn automatically just sucks up all of the soy sauce, but this being a gummy, not a lot of the soy sauce sticks on to the gummy, so it's... You want to try, Eleanor?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, come here.
I also am going to take that challenge.
Come here.
I'm also going to take
Come-
that challenge.
come-
And my water.
Okay, then Maxwell, come here.
And
here.
my water bottle challenge. I'm not that good with chopsticks.
That's why I'm giving it to you. There you go. Maxwell, come here. Come here. What do you think? It's not great, but it's also not horrible. So the gummies were interesting, but let's kick it up a notch. Apple. Not just any apple. A green apple. I'm just going to go ahead and stab. I have stabbed the apple. Green apple. So it's not just an apple, it's a green apple. So this is very different. Dunk that in. Oh, unlike the gummy, as you can see, the apple is really sucking in all of that soy sauce. Just so this will be interesting.
What does it taste like, Daddy? What does it taste like?
Green apples are sometimes sour, but it's like the soy sauce is canceling out the sourness, and so this just tastes like a regular apple. So that's really interesting. That is really interesting. Doesn't taste that bad. Doesn't taste that good. But so far, though, these two, the fruit snacks and the green apple, not that bad. Not that bad. But let's get healthy
Oh.
with a fruit grain cereal bar, strawberry flavored. Strawberry fruit grain cereal bar.
Just stab it. Just stab it. Just stab it.
Okay, you're right.
Stab.
It's been stabbed. Okay,
Good job, Dad.
let's do this. Oh, really getting the juices.
It's just sucking in. Take mine.
What does it taste like?
It's like licking a salt lick. It is super duper salty for about 5 seconds, and then after that, the soy sauce goes away, and all you can taste is just a really good breakfast bar. Yeah.
Basically, like mine.
It makes a good dance.
That wasn't that bad. So far, this hasn't been that bad. I mean, I remember how horrible the ranch dressing challenge was. So let's really kick it up a notch. Moon pie. You ever had one of these? Moon pies? We're going to try this with soy sauce.
Stab it.
Stabby! Stabbed it.
Oh.
Something tells me the chocolate is not going to hold the taste of this soy sauce. See? Unlike all of the other things that I've been eating, the soy sauce is just rolling right off of this chocolate. So I guess it depends on what food you eat, but yeah, there was hardly any soy sauce in that bite because it just rolled right off. But now that I have eaten it, you see all of this cookie and marshmallow? I think that is going to suck in the soy sauce. Be bold! That's what my PE teacher used to say. Remember when my PE teacher used to say be bold? Mm-hmm. No, because that wasn't my PE teacher. That was the PE teacher character from the PBS show Maya and Miguel. Done that joke every one of these videos.
The pee dance. The pee dance.
Okay, that bad. That's bad. Oh, 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 oh. The cookie and the marshmallow just sucks in all of that soy sauce like a sponge. Oh, oh.
You shouldn't have kept it in.
Okay, okay. Whoa. That was so strong that my armpit hair jumped out of my armpit and ran off and moved to California, where they're working on a farm now.
Don't.
No, I am a professional. I'm going to finish this.
Dad. Don't do it.
This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? For views? This will hardly get any views. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this?
Okay, here's something. Viewers like seeing people,
Dad, do
Hold on.
yours.
I'm gonna Midsommar this. Hold on. I'm gonna Midsommar this. Okay.
Then pee-pee dance.
That wasn't the pee-pee dance. Kids, don't eat moon pies and soy sauce.
The pee-pee
Not a good idea. See, I've done a bunch of sweet things like the fruit snacks and the moon pie. Let's try something salty, shall we?
Oh, God.
These are chips called Fritos.
God.
We're going to try some Fritos now. Now, this will be the ultimate test of steerable fitness. This grips me more than what a muddy old river reclining Buddha. Thank God I'm only watching the game, controlling it. You try and get some Fritos with chopsticks. This is hard. Okay.
With your hand and
Think he's up for the classy stuff. Ooh, it's like a spoon. I've got like a Frito ladle. Okay.
The pee-pee dance.
It's between.
First off, Eleanor, stop saying the pee-pee dance. Secondly, because it's kind of like a spoon, you don't kill somebody with a spoon, you scoop with a spoon. Stop saying the pee-pee dance, okay? The problem is that a lot of these Fritos work as a spoon, and so you're scooping up a large amount of soy sauce. But if you're not scooping it up, this actually doesn't taste that bad. You know? This tastes pretty good. I would much rather eat soy sauce Fritos than like the chili cheese Fritos that they make. These are pretty good.
I would like to try.
Okay. Yeah. Here. Try one. These are pretty good. Here. Take a bite. Soy sauce and Fritos. I know, right?
Why is this?
These are really good. This is so good. Yeah.
Let me try. Soy sauce flavored Fritos. Let me try.
These are really good. This is pretty good.
This is amazing. Mr. Parasite.
I will be
I can
trying
make it work. I can make it work.
a Mickey Mouse
God, Dad, why?
Vanilla
Dad.
ice cream cup.
Do you know how much space there is between those?
But I will not be adding
Bunch of space.
chocolate sauce. No. Ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and soy sauce.
Dad, do you know how much? Do you know how much
See,
space there is?
here's the thing. It looks just like chocolate. It looks just like chocolate. See? Check it out. That looks like chocolate.
Yummy chocolate.
Yeah, that looks like chocolate. That looks just like chocolate. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use the power of my mind, my mind's eye or whatever, to imagine that I'm just eating some chocolate sauce on vanilla ice cream.
It's a new type of ice cream that will,
Ooh, makes it all brown. It looks like Coca-Cola.
that will make your.
Okay.
It's a new flavor that will make your mind go, I need so much more of this.
Okay. 3, 2,
Some help for you.
1. Down the hatch.
God, why? What?
Tell us what it tastes like.
This tastes great. Oh my goodness.
I liked it.
Oh my goodness, this tastes pretty good.
I need.
This, hi.
Well, that's why.
Hi, I was expecting a, but this tastes all
I
right.
was expecting.
This tastes all
I
right.
was expecting.
Are you sure you want some, Maxwell?
No.
Okay, come here. You give it a try. Okay, no, look at the camera. It's not bad. It's a different taste. You're not expecting ice cream to taste salty, but I think it's all right. What do you think? He's holding his forehead like, is it? Tell me what you think. Is this good? Is this bad? Is this a breakthrough, or is this a horrible thing? Because I think this is pretty good.
This might. We might have made the cure for the sickness.
I don't think that coronavirus can be cured with putting soy sauce on vanilla ice cream. But this is all right. It's a weird, there's like a fight in your mouth because your mouth is like, ooh, this is ice cream. It's going to taste all sugary sweet. But then like the soy sauce is like, no, it's going to be salty. And it's a really weird combination in your mouth.
I'll eat all the rest.
See? This is pretty good. Here, no, take this bite. Open your mouth. This has been a successful taste test challenge. This has been a successful challenge. Soy sauce, don't try it on a moon pie, but wow, put it on some vanilla ice cream. Start off a little bit, and then you can work your way from there. That tastes great. Try it with some Fritos. Don't like get a spoonful of it, but just dunk it in there, shake it off, taste it. Really good. Surprising how much good stuff you can do with soy sauce. Wow. This has been like one of the best taste test challenge videos we have done on this channel. Try soy sauce on some stuff. It's amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe and all those things I'm supposed to say because I'm a guy on YouTube. We'll see you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.